The 2025 Hyundai IONIQ 9 3-row electric SUV has made its global debut and is set to arrive in Australia late in the second quarter of next year, around June. The IONIQ 9 is Hyundai's next flagship, measuring more than 5 meters in length and available in 6 or 7-seat configurations. It will be the most expensive vehicle in the brand's global fleet when it is launched. Hyundai has yet to disclose pricing for the future EV, but the base model is expected to start around $100,000, with top-spec calligraphy models potentially topping $150,000, plus on-road charges. The IONIQ 9 will join the IONIQ 5 crossover and IONIQ 6 sedan in Australia as an electric alternative to the Mazda CX-90, VW Tiguan, and Volvo XC90, but it dwarfs them in stature and features a lounge room-inspired interior with numerous cup holders, plenty of power outlets, scads of storage cubbies, and even swiveling seats. Hyundai's 6-seat models include freestanding captain's chairs in the second row that can rotate 180 degrees and twist 90 degrees towards the doors, making it easier to fit child seats and infants. The flagship version includes fully reclining front and middle row seats with heating, cooling, and advanced massage functionality with vibrational effects, which Hyundai claims improves circulation. The equipment levels for Australian-delivered IONIQ 9s have yet to be verified, but you can expect to see plenty of high-tech goodies like twin 12-inch displays and digital wing mirrors in Australian vehicles. Hyundai has also made an effort to employ recycled materials as much as possible, offering eco-leather, wool, and recycled suede upholstery, as well as repurposed plastic waste for various interior surfaces. All 2025 Hyundai IONIQ 9 models are equipped with a huge 110 kWh lithium-ion battery pack that is claimed to provide up to 620 km of WLTP range, more than its Kia EV9 competitor. Based on the same scalable 800V eGMP design as the larger Kia, it can be DC fast-charged at up to 350 kilowatts, resulting in a 10 to 80% charge in 24 minutes, under ideal conditions. The base long-range models are powered by a 160 kilowatts per 350 Nm e-motor installed on the rear axle, while the corresponding long-range AWDs add a 70 kilowatts per 255 Nm motor to the front axle. The combined power output is TBC. Meanwhile, the premium performance AWD system upped the ante with a 160 kilowatts per 350 Nm front motor, resulting in a 5.3 second 0 to 100 km/h pace. Hyundai appears to have thrown everything at its new flagship SUV, including high-end captain's seats in the middle row of 6-seat models, replete with armrests, powered seat adjustment, and next-generation massage capabilities. All variants have dual 12-inch displays, infotainment and instrument cluster, mounted behind a single curved pane of glass, with an Android-based operating system that supports over-the-air, OTA, updates and FOD, features on demand, capability. This allows owners to pay digital updates and modify their vehicles both inside and out, something Hyundai claims new car purchasers value. Apparently, free customization choices are less attractive. A single wireless phone charger with a built-in cooling fan is located at the front of a sliding island console between the front seats, but second-row passengers can also reach it through the dual-opening lid. In addition, a storage drawer opens onto the second row of seats. High output, 100W, USB-C connections are located throughout all 3 seat rows, while a traditional home power point in the boot, and an external outlet, can power larger, hungry appliances and even camping equipment via vehicle-to-load, V2L, increasing adaptability. All 3 rows of seats have air vents and cup holders, and the UVC sterilizer system, which was originally seen in the Santa Fe, is included. Phones, face masks, and other small objects can be placed in the compartment and exposed to ultraviolet light to kill germs and viruses. Top-spec vehicles feature a 14-speaker Bose stereo and a panoramic glass sunroof, while lower-grade cars have an 8-speaker audio system. An AI-based voice recognition system can control the majority of in-car equipment, while BlueLink smartphone connectivity enables remote vehicle operation and supervision. Depending on the model grade, 19-inch, 20-inch, or 21-inch alloy wheels are offered, although there is no spare wheel, as with most electric vehicles. All 2025 Hyundai IONIQ 9s come standard with 10 airbags and a reinforced body structure that Hyundai claims ensures maximum battery safety by effectively distributing collision energy and maintaining structural integrity, even in severe electric vehicle accidents. A comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, is intended to make the vehicle safer and easier to drive, with features such as autonomous emergency braking, semi-autonomous steering, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring and collision avoidance assist, and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance.